Are we live?
Yo.
Enoshima, this is Far For You reporting in live. Currently having fun time at the beach. Everything's fun over here in Japan.
Yes, sir.
Second to last day, I think. I believe we're just enjoying and the most of what we can do. The boys are over there. Some of the girls are over there sitting down, which is fine. Yeah, overall fun time here in New Zealand. Have the bro over there, he's enjoying his time. There's yeah, everyone's having a good time. Boys, transmission.
Fuck you. We are indeed recording. So, we are currently at a beach in Miami. And if you span to over here, we were just on that island discovering all the traditional historical relics that were there. Now if you go over here, hop! Oh shit!
Yep.
And if you go look over there, you can see all the hotels that
Hello.